Hi friends, hello to everyone. Welcome to our channel. And today's topic is how to start your investments and financial plans. In the last video, we have seen the 10 steps to awaken your financial genius. But still many of us don't have the idea of how to start the process. I want to share some of the best ideas. The first one is stop doing what you are doing. In other words, take a break and assess what is working and what is not working with you. When you do the same thing again and again, and how you can expect a different result. So, stop doing what is not working and look for something new. The second one is look for new ideas. For new investing ideas, search for books on different and unique subjects. I call them formulas. Whatever the new formula you find from the book, do implement through your actions. If you are not taking any action, how it will work for you? The third one is find someone who has done what you want to do. Take them to lunch and ask them for tips and tricks of the trade. They can tell you new ideas and methods to implement it. Then take action on it to get the desired results. The fourth one is take classes, read and attend seminars. Search internet and newspapers for new and interesting classes, many of which are free or inexpensive. Also, you can attend and pay for expensive seminars on what you want to learn. The fifth one is make lots of offers. When you want to get into the real estate business, you should know how to make offers. You don't know what the right price is until you have a second party who wants to deal. You can make many offers to find the worth of the land. Finding a good deal, the right business, the right people, the right investors, or whatever is just like dating. You must go to market and talk to a lot of people and make a lot of offers, counter offers, negotiate, reject, and accept. Because such offer, reject, negotiate, and accept are all parts of the process in almost everything in life. Jog, walk, or drive a certain area once a month for 10 minutes so that you can find some of your best real estate investing doing this. Do not wait for a sale hike after purchasing a piece of land. Try to deal in profitable manner while buying itself. Always remember profits are made in the buying, not in the selling. Look for people who wants to buy first, then look for someone who wants to sell. Think big. All the big companies in stock market are once start as a small startup companies only. Try to find a small company which has a bright future and invest in that with big quantities. Never forget the formula of action always beats in action. So take action immediately and find your best way of investments. Thank you, friends.